So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation into this beautiful asymmetrical all black pixie cut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some long to short hair transformations. Here we have a bob haircut, beautiful chic tassel bob for this one, absolutely gorgeous. Love the movement and texture. And it looks like the stylist will be doing a pixie haircut for this one as well. Oh, wow. This has so much height and volume in it. And it is a bit of a pixie bob variation. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving the feathered bangs that this has. So beautiful. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like the stylist will be doing a bob haircut for this next one. Seems as if she is leaving the bangs longer. So she did blunt bangs in the front and then left some side bangs that were longer than the rest of the bob. Oh, that was so chic. I wish we would have gotten a better close-up look, but very trendy haircuts. And then we move into this blonde asymmetrical pixie style. Wow, the bangs on this are gorgeous as well, and there's also a lot of body in this particular cut. So next up we have this silver fox pixie style. Beautiful bangs in the front. I know they typically say silver fox for men, but why can't a woman be a silver fox too? Beautiful. This pixie also has a lot of volume within the cuts. Beautiful face framing pixie style. So next up we do have another pixie. Salt and pepper for the color. Oh, this is beautiful. I really like how her natural grays just enhance the cut overall. Simply stunning. So here we have another long to short transformation. It's like another gorgeous pixie bob style with side swept bangs. Wow, absolutely stunning haircuts. So then we move on to someone who has pretty long curly hair. Looks like she's going to be adding in some color. Now, based on this part alone, I'm thinking she's gonna go with some type of orange copper color mix. Very popular hair hue for 2023. The stylist cuts the strands, adds the color. There is the before. Oh, wow. Beautiful dark copper colored curls. I love it. So pretty. It's like the perfect shade of red for her complexion too. Spot on. So next up we have another haircut transformation. The stylist likes to do a lot of pixie bobs. And here's another one featuring so much body and movement. Wow, this is stunning. It also looks like she has two-toned hair here, at least in the lighting. Blonde more so in the front and a little bit more brown towards the back. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were spotted in today's video and you were able to find some major hair inspiration. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.